The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, says it is ready for Saturday's gubernatorial and state assembly elections in Katsina State. Mr. Jibril Zariwa, INEC resident electoral commissioner in the state, said sensitive election materials had been distributed to the 34 local governments to be moved to the different polling units.
Katsina State has a total of 34 local government areas with 361 wards and 4,902 polling units. These polling units have smaller sections that we call voting points, which are 1,750. So altogether we have 6,652 voting centers in Katsina State. The sensitive materials that were brought and kept at the CBN Katsina branch were delivered to the local governments 2 days ago. That on Wednesday, the 6th of March. They were delivered, they were taken from CBN under the watch of the political party agents, security agencies, the media, and civil society organizations. They have been secured in the local governments, and yesterday, Thursday, the electoral officers in the local government batched them in line with according to the wards. And as we are talking now, the supervisory presiding officers of the wards are now taking them from the electoral offices and taking them to the ward centers. I will tell you that we are fully prepared. We have all the materials. They are in place and they are almost in the place for the election.
He said 98% of the 3,230,230 eligible voters had got their permanent voters' cards, with the remaining 2% representing 63,726 yet to be collected.
All of them were retrieved from the local governments. We kept them here in the state office so that after the elections, when the collection of PVCs resumes, now we return them to the local governments. That is the policy, and that's what we did.
The Electoral Commissioner also said INEC was working with security officials to ensure hit-free elections.